First image. The first image is the original image which looks quite normal, but the person who know about this technique can find out the hidden message from it. The second image is a quite zoom image which includes the hidden message. The third image is a secret encoded image. This entire process is known as image steganography.
Second one. Here we can see the word Wikipedia is written normally using a computer software. But in the second step, it is added to an audio file. Here we can't read the image directly, but with the use of spectrograph, this can be read, and this is known as audio steganography. The last one is invisible ink steganography. In ancient times, there used to be empty scrolls sent from one kingdom to another. They used to look empty, but it used to have an important hidden message. The products like lemon juice, milk juice were used, and due to the reaction of heat, the hidden message was revealed. Here is the example. Here we wrote the message hello with lemon juice and let it dry, which looked empty, but on the reaction of heat, the message is revealed. We have also made one more live project, so we can show further. Team members to continue building. Myself, Monica Thakur, roll number 1.
Myself, Jaguar, roll number 24.
We are going to cover the topic poem cipher.
What is poem cipher? A poem cipher hides the secret word or paras inside a poem. Data message can be encoded in different ways. Arithmetic way. Take the first letter of each line. Stylistic way. Take the last word of each line. And method take the second or third word of each line. Those who don't know this rule, this message cannot be encoded by them. Those who know this rule, they can be encoded this message easily.
We have an example of poem cipher. This poem is written in the acrostic cipher style, and if we read this poem normally, it is just a reflective poem. But if you see it properly, there is some hidden word or message in this poem. So each line of first letter, like C, R, Y, P, this word makes cryptography. So poem cipher says that there is some message in the poem which is hidden secretly. So in real world, the treasure hides a location within a poem. Like that, the poem cipher also hides a message secret. Thank you. Good morning, myself Tanisha Nishkar, and I am roll number 85. My topic is Ramshalaka. So as you can see, what is Ramshalaka? So Ramshalaka is a traditional Hindu divination tool used to seek guidance from Lord Ram, typically found in the religious text of Ramcharita by Goswami Tushis. Now, how Ramshalaka works, right? So Ramshalaka is a transformation and substitution cryptography. As shown in the column 1 of table 2, Ramshalaka uses 9 stanzas or chaupais of philosophical meaning from which solutions to any action, question related to our activities in life are enacted and is built in a square matrix of size 15 into 50. Shalaka means action, and this Shalaka was used by Rama, who was famous king and god in Indian mythology. Now, I will give examples of Ramshalaka written over here. As you can see, Sunu Siya Satya Asiis Hamari Pujani Man Kamna. So as you can see, as I told you before, that we uses 9 chaupains, right? So Su is the first one, and as soon as we skip the 9, we have Nu. That's how we make Sunu Siya Satya Asiis Hamari Pujani Man Kamna. That's one of the examples of Ramshalaka.
Myself Jyoti Mane, my roll number is 64. My topic is SIES cipher. SIES cipher means जैसे कि प्लेन टेक्स्ट ए है तो ए के आगे 3 वर्ड ABCD, जो इनक्रिप्ट आएगा वो ABCD आएगा. जैसे कि मैंने एक कोड किया है उसमें, जैसे मैंने मेरा प्लेन टेक्स्ट इधर है हेलो TYIT, हेलो के जगह जो H है HIJK, इधर K आया, बाद में EFGH जो इधर H है, plain text encryption.
Good afternoon, myself. We are the number 128.
Myself, Mukesh Patil, and my roll number is 91.
So today we are going to explain the technique called as Pigpen cipher. So we'll know about it in detail.
So here is my picture. Let's see what message I want. So let's decode the code.
We'll know about its technique. So this is the technique. The technique's name is Pigpen cipher. Pigpen cipher is a cipher in which the alphabets are replaced using the symbols to decode a secret message. In this cipher, alphabets appear in shapes like boxes and crosses, which helps to decode in ancient times. In this, I have used the word hello, in which edge is decrypted using the edges which are present beside it. In such a way, A is decrypted using the 4 edges which are present beside it. And in such a way, hello is encoded. Now let's decode the message that we have got.
So as we have learned the technique, let's decode the message that I have got. Like C, R, P, E, O, E, R, A, P, H, I, A. Thank you.
To conclude with, let's summarize. In today's project-based activity, we included 5 major topics, wherein steganography, we did the live example of candle and lemon juice. For poem cipher, she explained the poem with the hidden message. For Ramshalaka, she explained the matrix of Ramshalaka. For SIES cipher, she explained the code about SIES cipher, wherein the third alphabet is considered. And for Pigpen cipher, she explained the message